Welcome to my channel Gosia Home Cooking. Today I will show you how you can prepare very simple recipe, shrimps and vegetables wrap, and I hope you enjoy. Let's go start it. First I will cut sausage, pretty thick slices. You can use any sausage you prefer. I have Polish smoked sausage. Okay, it's done. Now I will cut carrot. Carrot is cut. Now I will cut zucchini. Okay, a carrot and zucchini is cut. And next, onion. I need just half an onion for this recipe. Okay, onion is done. Potatoes, different size, so I will cut this bigger to half. The red potato cut. Next step, I will make the shrimps wraps. I need it just regular foil. I will make the individual wraps. Just few potatoes, corn, carrots. I love broccoli, so a little bit broccoli, sausages, and the shrimps, and a little bit onion for the taste. Okay, next, a little bit salt, crushed pepper, just few flakes like this if you like spicy, and my favorite Old Bay seasoning. Garlic and parsley flakes, and a little piece of butter. I would say 1 teaspoon would be perfect. Lemon juice. Okay, now we close the wrap. You can see it looks like a candy wrap. And I put on a baking pan. I bake shrimp and vegetables wrap for 35 minutes in temperature 420 degrees, and everything is done. Shrimps wraps done. Just unwrap. As you can see, everything is steaming hot. Looks beautiful. Everything is nice and soft. A little bit of green with lemon. In a few minutes, dinner is done. Look at this wrap. It looks so beautiful and delicious. I'm ready to eat. My family loves shrimps and vegetables wrap. Very simple to prepare, and you can enjoy. Perfect party meal. It's healthy, very simple dinner idea. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new recipe. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.